Alright guys, we finally fixed temporarily those connectors for this rollover bulb. So as you could see, in between this is the connector, which is 316 in diameter. It's a fuel line connector as well as this one. So we did put some fast drying glue, but like I said, we will use the JB Weld plastic bonder. So we will put a large amount of JB Weld also to this guy and this one. Now for the fuel pump, which is also broken, this one I ordered a brand new fuel pump because I guess I need to replace this. It might give me a problem sometime in the future, so a brand new one, because I brought down the fuel tank, so I might as well change it. And it only costs like $37 compared to if I will buy the whole fuel tank. It will be like almost $800. Okay, and then I still have to buy the fuel pump, a new one, to put in place. So let's see, hopefully this will work. To all you guys there with this same kind of problem or issue, so this is the solution. Buy and take note that I drilled the holes with a 316 drill bit, so that way the connectors will insert easily but still snug. So we will reinforce this with a JB Weld, like I said, and also this one I might do this too, a JB Weld, because to protect the whole plastic, because it's becoming brittle. So also this is the rear rollover bulb, so I might also reinforce this with a JB Weld. I have to clean it first. So there you go, guys. Hopefully this Thanksgiving weekend, the fuel pump that I ordered will arrive, and then we will install it. I will also have a video. I will also shoot a video for the fuel pump installation. Alright, so I'll see you on the next video.